Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to change Google Forms date format. So first one is just simply select one of your forms, and after that just simply go ahead and add another question. And from here just make sure to click on the multiple choice and just simply select date. And now from here, after that just simply select your profile icon, the top right corner of the screen. After that, just simply select manage your Google account. And from here, just simply use the search bar and search for a language. And now from here, just simply select this one language personal info and select this pencil icon. Just simply select the language. So guys, from here, just simply add a new language in order for you to change the date. Now guys, once it is changed, just simply go back and now just simply search over here, input. And after that, just simply select input tools. And from here, just simply select add language. And from here, just simply search for English. And after that, click on save and just simply check this box over here. And from there, guys, your Google form date format will be changed. And this is how you change the date format in Google Forms. And there you go. See ya.